everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Forever 21 credit card account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up a web browser to begin. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Forever 21 credit card login and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see the search results based on your search. Click on this first link that says Manage Your Account -community, and this will take you to a next page. In order to log into your credit card account, click on the sign in button at the top. If you're not registered for a credit card account yet, click on the Register Now button and follow the on-screen prompts. Clicking on the sign in button will bring up the login area on the right-hand side of the screen. Enter your username in the first text field where it says username, and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link or the eye icon at the right corner of the password box. If you want the system to remember your credentials, click on this Remember Me box, which will make it easier for you to log into your account next time. But remember to leave this box unchecked before signing in if you're using a public device or a shared computer. If you happen to forget your username or your password, you can click on this Forgot Username/Password link beneath the sign in button. Follow the on-screen prompts to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after you're done, click on the sign in button in order to log into your account. That is how you'll be able to log into your Forever 21 credit card account. I hope the tutorial video was helpful to you. If it was, do give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our video so that it would reach more people at a time. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thanks for watching.